Welcome back to the kitchen one more time with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. You know what I mean? Sometime we at home and the kids are at home, you know what I mean? You need to make something for the kids and give them a little treat sometime. Anyway, today we want to give you kids a treat. The treat today for the kids is Frankfurter and Noodle. Basic recipe, guys. Simple, easy, but effective, you know what I mean? Basically, you know what I mean? All you need is just oil and hot water, Frankfurter and the noodle, and that's it. You don't need to add any sugar, any salt, any butter, anything. That's it. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you and the kids at home, and you know what I mean, short and you know, very easy and simple to make. You can get my cooking book. Is on Amazon. The price won't change, as I said before, every time in the video. Guys, get a copies. Christmas recipe is inside of it, and we want you guys to know what's going on. So guys, enjoy it and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Well, I'm gonna give you a little tips and idea of how you can make yourself a nice, lovely kids lunch at home. Easy recipe, guys. Basically, this is some Frankfurter, and this one is chicken. Basically, it's low fat. You can read more instruction inside of it, and it will tell you if you're allergic to it, no or not. Look at the ingredients, guys. This is some noodle. This is chicken noodle and chicken Frankfurter. So I'm gonna give you a recipe where you can make this at home for kids for lunch. Kids do like these kind of things. Basically, as you can see right here, that's simple. Use the scissors and just remove the top of it. Frankfurter, you can get that at any local shop, supermarket to buy. Basically, I want to simply say to you that they are very nice. I eat it before. To be honest, they're very nice sausages, guys. So I'm gonna make my little daughter lunch today, and this is what she said to me, Daddy, I feel for some Frankfurter. So I'm gonna just use 2 Frankfurter. Basically, simple. I'm gonna just cut it like this and like this. Yeah, or you can do a thing like this. Simple, cut it up like this, guys. Let's do it this way because we're gonna mix it with the noodle, and we're gonna just simple cut it up just like this. All right, I'm gonna make my daughter lunch today. Simple little dish like this. That's the Frankfurter, and all they're gonna do, and I'm just using 2 Frankfurter. Nice one. So right over here is my little medium-sized pot for my chicken noodle. Chicken noodle, all you need to do is just boil it off into some water. Right here, this is my pot for the Frankfurter, which I'm gonna fry it off. So basically, simple pot, a little bit of oil inside of it. That's a little bit too much oil. It's fine. Basically, what we're gonna do, I might just simple add another sachets to this one. Make 3 sachets. We're gonna use 3 sachets because by the time you fry it, it may come down a little bit too small. Lovely. So that's my oil, and all I'm gonna do is simple add my Frankfurter to it just like this, and just fry it off for roughly 3 to 4 minutes until you see they get a nice lovely color. Right over here, that's the pot for my Frankfurter. Simple, just boil off my noodle. Just putting the flavor inside of the noodle like this. Really nice, guys. I'm telling you, kids will do love this. Sometimes you have to give your kids a little treat. Sometimes at home, you know what I mean. It's not all about burger and all about fried chicken and you know what I mean. Simple. Let's give this a little stir. Nice, I love this. So as you can see, guys, the noodle is ready. So the noodle take about 3 to 4 minutes, and that's it. That's finished. I'm gonna pour it off, turn off my stove over there. Then now my Frankfurter is ready. So as you can see, Frankfurter take 3 to 4 minutes on a hot pan. So it's very easy and basic, guys, as I want to see. Looking lovely and nice. So I'm gonna just give my daughter a nice treat today as noodle and Frankfurter. I know she will love it. So this is finished, guys. Nice, guys. So as you can see, this is my daughter pasta bowl, and I just finished off the pasta. So, but my one I can simply strain it just like this. So it's really good. Basically, I'm gonna simply put some noodle inside of our bowl like this. Nice one. And then I'm gonna get the Frankfurter and the simple put a little bit of Frankfurter on top of it like this. I can do too much. Alright, let's give her a treat today. Give it a nice little stir like this. So this is it right here, guys. As I say, sometimes you can treat your kids at home, give them a nice lovely little special meal. And as you can see, this is it right here, guys. Lovely and nice. It's so easy. Noodle and, you know what I mean, Frankfurter, fry up the Frankfurter. Very easy, nice, simple little meal. And this can help them to balance and that. Also, I didn't use any salt, I didn't use any sugar, I didn't use anything because all of those products are already balanced with sugar and salt and stuff. So guys, as you can see, very easy and simple recipe. So treat your daughter at home with a nice simple meal like this one. Enjoy the recipe. See you next time. Bye bye.